Well, the reason I think that first experience receiving a product, putting it together, first use is vital is this notion of feeling welcome. Am I in the right place? If this product feels right, I intuitively know how to understand it, I feel like I'm welcome to the community, it's very likely that the rest of those episodes are going to go the right way. Whereas if I feel like, these guys haven't been very thoughtful, not kind. I mean, think about it. When other people have a built kind of solution and you don't, it means I don't really love my customer. And it's very obvious at the front end of a relationship. Customer expectations are always relative to the other things they're experiencing, not just in your category, but in similar things. So if the airlines come up with something great and you don't get it in car rentals, you notice. One great example for me was call centers. When there's a long queue, I think I called Southwest Airlines, and the IVR, the computer voice, said, "The line is very long, we'll hold your space in line, but call you back if you'd like." And I said, that is so thoughtful. Now I'm going to save all this time, and you speak your name into and then they call you back, and you're not going to lose your place in line. I loved it. And now anytime someone sticks me into a phone queue and doesn't give me that option, I think, what a crappy company this is. They don't care about my time at all. So, once some competitor in the industry steps it up and does something thoughtful and kind and efficient, the others have to match, or suddenly no one's want to do much business with them, except at a deep discount. And, you're headed down that bad slope.